Hi guys, today let's see how you can create a brand logo in the easiest way possible with the help of an AI. You don't need to be a professional designer or spend a lot of money to get a stunning logo. In this tutorial, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step guide on how to create your brand logo using AI. To create our logo, we are going to use an AI tool called Ideogram Image Creator. By using this, we can create professional logos like this. You can create logos and sell this your service on platforms like Fiverr or similar platforms to earn a handsome amount. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser, type Ideogram and press the Enter key. Open the first link. I have also provided the link in the description so you can follow along with that. You will be directed to a website like this. Firstly, we need to register on this website. If you already have an account, you can simply log in. I've already logged in beforehand. Here, you'll see a box where you can write your prompt describing the type of logo you want. I have already written the prompt. I will just copy and paste it here. Now, the question is how you can write your prompt. For this, you can ask ChatGPT for help in crafting your prompt. You can get prompts written in this manner to create a logo for your brand. After writing the prompt, you can set the image ratio here to generate the image in the desired ratio. After that, click on the Generates button. After a short processing time, 4 versions of your logo will be generated. Here you can see how beautifully and creatively the logos have been generated. The better the prompt you write, the more impressive logos you'll get. And from here, you can select the version that you like the most. After that, click on the download icon to download the logo. This logo is in raster format. If you want to use it in this way, you can. Otherwise, you can also convert it to vector format. To convert it to vector, open Vectrizer AI, or you can use any other AI tool that specializes in converting images to vector format. Upload this image. After some processing, it will convert the image into a vector. You can see that the quality of the logo has improved because it has now been converted to vector format. If you want the background to be transparent, you can remove the background and then convert it to vector format. After that, you can download it from here. Congratulations! You have created a logo. Now you can use it for yourself, or if you've created it for a client, you can send it to them. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.